The principle of oneness. Oneness is essentially about the interconnectedness of all things, physically, mentally, and spiritually. The theological concept of oneness is based on a simple principle, that all things are part of, and originate from one thing. It is a belief in the connectedness, the interrelatedness, and the sacredness of all. It is an understanding that life exists on many levels, and in many forms, yet all of life is essentially one thing. That one thing many be called by many names, but it is beyond complete description, beyond complete comprehension, beyond complete knowing, because to do so would mean we are in fact, the all itself, or appear to it, which we are not, because we are merely a part of the all. Yet as part of the interconnected all, whatever we do to, or for, anything else, ultimately affects everything else, including ourselves. We define that one thing, of which we are a part, as the divine, the creator and first cause, in essence God. It could also be considered life itself. Another way of saying this is, all is one. On the surface, this sounds like a contradiction, and on some levels it is, but it is more accurately a divine dichotomy, the idea that all is one, but it behaves, and experiences itself, as in through the many. Here in the relative realm, we experience each aspect, each dimension, each plane, and each manifestation as separate, as different, but from the vantage point of ultimate reality, that is, from God's perspective, this is an illusion with a purpose. God wanted to experience itself in every divinely conceived way, but this required division, apparent separation, which, in turn, required forgetfulness. And it also required that each aspect be endowed with the ability to operate seemingly, that is independently, with the ability to imagine, to desire, and to create, and thus experience what it independently creates. This is the principle of oneness. It is the foundation of all that you will learn in this program.